5 minutes do not sound like much, but inside an automatic bus wash, hundreds of precise movements happen in perfect sequence. With just one of them, and cleaning quality drops immediately. So what really happened during those 5 minutes? Let's take a closer look. Most people see an automatic bus wash as a simple process. A vehicle enters, the brush rotates, water sprays, and the cleaning process comes out with the other side. But behind that smooth operation is a carefully designed sequence where every stage has specific purpose. It begins with accurate vehicle positioning. Proper alignment allows the system to detect the vehicle correctly and ensure every surface is cleaned, evenly from front to rear. Once the wash cycle starts, high pressure water removes roof dust and debris before brushes make contact. This step helps reduce unnecessary friction and protect the vehicle interior. Next comes the brush movement. Modern wash systems don't simply spin brushes at high speed. They are engineered to maintain consistent brush stroke by adapting to different vehicle shapes, allowing mirror, corner, windows, and curved body panel to be cleaned efficiently without excessive force. As the process continues, water flow, brush rotation, and travel speed remain synchronized throughout the cycle. This coordination ensures that every session receives the same cleaning quality, regardless of vehicle size or daily operating conditions. Finally, the rinse side remove any remaining residue, leaving the vehicle clean and ready for service. The goal is not just to make the vehicle look better, it is to deliver consistent results every single time while reducing manual effort and keeping fleet operation moving without unnecessary delay. At Go&Go, every stage of the wash cycle is designed with operational reliability in mind. A well-designed automatic wash system does not rely on luck or operator experience. It follows the same proven process every time, giving fleet manager confidence that its vehicle receives the same standard of care. Consistency is what transforms vehicle washing from a daily task into a dependable part of an efficient transport operation. Want to see every stage of the wash process in real time? Follow Go&Go for more behind-the-scenes videos, or contact our team to discover how an automatic bus wash system can improve efficiency, consistency, and productivity across your entire fleet.